Hello everyone. I'm Shalini Singh, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce at GEMS Engineering Management Technical Campus, Greater Noida. In today's lecture, we are going to study about the computerized accounting software, that is Tally. Today we'll discuss about the unit 2 of this subject, that is Tally ERP 9, and today is the lecture 1 of Tally ERP 9. So let's begin. The content of Unit 2 is Introduction, Getting Functional with Tally ERP 9, Creation of the Company, Configuration, Creation, Alteration, Deletion of ledger accounts, Parsing and deletion of journal entries in accounting vouchers, and Searching entries. So today we'll discuss about the introduction of Tally ERP 9. So what is Tally ERP 9? It is one of the most popular accounting software which is used in India. It is a complete enterprise software for small and medium enterprises. Tally ERP 9 is a perfect business management solution, and it is a GST software with an ideal combination of function, control, and inbuilt customizability. So Tally ERP 9, it permits the business owners and their associates to interact more in accounts related discussions, and it is complete product which retains its original simplicity. It yet offers comprehensive business functionalities such as accounting, finance, inventory, sales, purchase, point of sales, manufacturing, costing, job costing, payroll, branch management, along with the compliance capabilities for excise, TDS, TCS, and now GST also. Tally is nothing but it is an accounting in digital format. Maintaining accounts in manual books, we write accounting entries as debit and credit. And in Tally, we create entries the same way. So how do we do it? Tally. Then the entire thing could be pictured as the installation of any machinery in the workplace. Basically, Tally ERP 9 is a software designed to perform the accounting work. All the accounting works, like whatever books of accounts do we maintain, journal books, ledger books and all, everything can be everything can be maintained in a digital format. So all the entries are made here and a software is provided for it through which we perform this task. Let me tell you how we will download Tally. So there are few steps when how we can download Tally, because if we are in accounting profession, if we are in a finance profession or in a business firm, then we need to perform our daily transactions to be recorded in the software of Tally. So there are few steps through which we can download Tally. So process 1 is installation. So Tally software can be purchased and downloaded from the Tally website. We can download a 30-day trial version if you are not sure that whether we want to use it or not. So Tally 9 is for Windows only, and we can also use Tally in educational mode, which allows you to learn how to use the software without having to purchase a license. So some features are restricted in this mode. So Tally version can be purchased from the point of view of a business also, and if you want to study Tally, then also we can download Tally in a educational mode. For our understanding, for our betterment, if you want to study accounting in digital format, then we can download the Tally in educational mode. But if we want to perform the day-to-day transactions and maintain our expenses and pay receipts and payments and income and expenses, then we can purchase the Tally software from the website. And if we are not sure that whether we should work on it or not, then we can download a trial version which is available for 30 days from the website of Tally. Second process is navigation. Navigation is used. It is Tally ERP 9 is designed to be navigated by using keyboard. Basically, in Tally, less use of mouse is done because all the performance, all the working and functionalities is done with the help of keyboard only. So Tally ERP9 is designed to be navigated by using the keyboard. While we can click any option we want, everything in the Tally has a keyboard shortcut, and in fact all the shortcut keys are defined to make our work more easier. So the shortcut, as we say, is usually the key displayed next to each available option. So learning how to get around with the keyboard will increase our efficiency. Basically, in Tally, we must be very much familiar with the use of keyboard, because mouse is almost, we can say, it is not applicable kind of substance or device which is used in Tally. In Tally, most of the works are done through keyboards only. So mouse is of very limited use. The person who is not very much handy with Tally ERP9, that person can use the mouse, but in most situations we need to get very much friendlier and familiar with the use of keyboards and shortcut keys. In process 3 and 4, we use the creation and usage. So to use Tally, we will first need to create a company. When we have to perform any activity, we have to write any transactions, perform any transaction, or write any journal entry, then first of all, we need to form a company. Without forming a company, we cannot perform any task, because Tally is nothing like we have to write anything manually over there. We have to follow the step and procedure for the software. So we will first need to create a company in the program. Even when we are not using Tally professionally, we'll still need to create a company using the following steps. Here I am giving you a short gist. Later on in this unit, we have to discuss about the creation, selection, shutting, altering, and many other things regarding the formation of the company, editing, and many more things which is related to accounting. But before that, we need to understand what exactly this software is telling us to do, and what does this software wants us to be familiar with. So we'll first need to create a company in the program. Even when we are not using Tally professionally, we'll still need to create a company using the following steps. So step 1, in the opening menu, select a create company. Step 2, enter the company details. That is, there it can ask you about the name of the company, address, then telephone number, statutory compliances, banking records, emails, security purpose, currency, etc. So there are the company details which needs to be entered while creating a company. Number 3, turn on the auto backup to ensure that a copy of all your work is saved in case something happens to the original. Like in MS Office, whenever we write in MS Excel or in Word, we save a copy of it. Similarly, in Tally ERP9, we need to put on the auto backup, so that if due to any crash in the hardware, due to crash in the system, our data is gone, then we can find this auto backup with our Tally ERP software, so that we can easily understand what has been stored in it. And excuse me. So auto backup makes us ensure that we have a copy of our original work saved in it. So turn on the auto backup to ensure that a copy of all your work is saved in case something happens to the original. Step 4, choose your currency. If you are performing this Tally function in India, then you'll choose rupees. But if you are performing Tally, if you are entering our data in Tally in any other country, then we'll choose the currency of that country. So choosing the currency is the 4th step. Number 5, if you are using Tally to just manage your account, then select accounts only. And in the maintain menu, and if you are using Tally for inventory management also, select accounts with inventory. So in Tally, there are two types how we can manage our accounts. Number one, if we want to maintain only accounts, that is give and take, purchase and sales, income, expenses, receipts and payments, that we need to maintain, then only accounts can be accounts only option can be selected in the maintain menu. But if you want to maintain the inventory also, and if you want to maintain the record of the inventory, like how much quantity of that particular item has been purchased, at what rate it has been purchased, then in that case we need to select accounts with inventory. Number 6 step, enter the start of your financial year and start date of for the books. As we all know, in accounts, we have to write the financial year for which the account or accounting statement or financial position of the company is being maintained. So in Tally also, we need to enter the start of your financial year. For example, if you are preparing this Tally for 1920, then we need to mention 1st April 2019. Similarly, books or date will also start from the 1st April 2019. As we all know, in India, the financial year is considered from month of April, 1st of month of April to the last of 31st of March of the next year. So this is how we create and use the Tally. So in overall, I would say Tally is the most popular and it is highly effective accounting tool which makes the life of an accountant very easier. Anyone who is looking to enter in the field of accounting or wishes to lead a successful career in accounting, he must learn Tally ERP9, as the benefit of using Tally ERP9 are more for both small, medium-sized businesses. Moreover, the simplicity is the driving force which allures the users of financial information to actively use Tally as the ERP solution for their businesses. So basically, Tally ERP9 is a very effective tool for accounting. If you're planning to have a career in accounts, then also you can, in that case it is really mandatory to learn Tally ERP9, because all the entries are to be maintained through the software only, because we cannot maintain it on Excel or previously we used to maintain it in Excel also, and now also we maintain it, but side by side we need to maintain it in Tally ERP9, because there the calculation becomes more simple and more easier, and it gives us the complete information of a particular transaction, how it has occurred, what all accounts are being affected, who is the party for whom these accounts or ledgers are being made. So Tally ERP9 is basically is very much useful for small, medium-sized businesses. And we can say Tally ERP9 is not very hard to understand. It is, in fact, very easier. If one has to understand the Tally ERP9, then it is the easiest software which we can learn without any kind of classes or without any kind of practice. But Tally ERP9 needs to be prepared in every firm for the purpose of maintaining all sorts of records related to your purchase, sales, income. If you are giving salary to your employees, then also Tally ERP9 is very important. So that's all for today. Thank you.